Hey everybody, Dr. Chris Bowser, Vice President for Student Affairs, and we are here in the Auto Collision Lab to make our announcement on which academic program won the first week of welcome competition for the most engaged program on campus. I'm happy to present this $5,000 check to Christian Record and the Automotive Collision Program.
So Christian, real quick, tell us exactly what this money will go to and how impactful it's going to be for your program.
First of all, impactful is a small way to put it. This is going to be a huge thing for us. You know, where stuff on enhancement grant stuff maybe we couldn't get. Now we can afford this. You know, we can get things like a window chip repair kit, which I didn't know if we were going to be able to get. Now we can get that. That's something these guys can now learn and be even more ready to be out in the career field.
Okay, and I know you told me during Week of Welcome that it also helped you as an instructor get to know your students a little bit better.
It honestly did. So last year, I'll be honest, I didn't go to a single one of these events, and this year I pretty much went to almost every event, and all the guys and gals that went there, I got to learn them or meet them and get to know them all better, as well as them getting to know each other better. So now I'm not aside from $5,000, but I'm a huge advocate for Power Up Week.
I bet.
That's awesome.
One last question. You are a member of SGA, so this was coming from SGA. SGA gave this check, so how cool is it it's coming back to your program?
It's freaking awesome.
That's perfect. That's perfect. All
I
right.
do want to tell everybody, and Cassie, correct me if I'm wrong, these guys had a 69% attendance rate at all of our events throughout the whole week. So think about that for next year.
There was a lot of programs that we were watching and sweating hard about.
Yeah.
Dental was one of them. Dental
Yeah.
put up one heck of a fight.
Shout out
So,
to Dental. They were right on your heels. They
Yeah.
were in it to win it. And
Oh,
so
yeah.
next year, Dental, you've got to come back and you've got to be a little bit stronger so you can win the $5,000 next
Don't
year.
worry about doing that next year. You stay right where you're at.
All right, well, congratulations once again. How about we do a We Are State Tech? Ready? We are.
Stay tech!